All right, today just want to share my idea how to install the faucet for standing showers, freestand tub. So what I did here, I already prepped it. So what I did here is this is the mounting screws for the faucet. There's some hardware that came with this ones, but I didn't want to use it, which is this one here. So when your flooring is done, you gotta install this one right on top. Like this. This is the base. So you're gonna install it like this. But I prefer to bolt it. So I bolt it all the way through like that. Right? And then this one goes like that after. So instead of this one. Alright, but this one though, make sure you have to which direction that you want it to go right before doing this, because once you put this one on and you didn't calculate like which angle that you want to go, then you're gonna mess it up after. So my faucet's facing that way, so I got this one everything calculated. Alright, let's go from there. Alright, so this is how I set up my linear Schluter drain. So what I did is I removed the existing floor, and then this is where the tray and the this linear drain. And so for me to eliminate raising up the flooring, so I just removed the existing flooring, and I used the joist as the so this is how it is. And then the adapter that came with it, I replaced it to a shorter one, so that way my P-trap all fit. Otherwise it's not gonna fit in there, right? So yeah, so the other one was like an inch or an inch more, so I replaced it to a shorter one, that way I can fit it right. All right, so I'm about to put this one in places and we'll go from there. Alright, the linear drain is in place, and next thing is I'm gonna do the walls. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so today I'll be doing the faucet for the fresh stand. So finally it's already finished. So this is how it looks right now. So I decided to do it this way, which is I follow what it says on the instruction. It's right there. Alright, so I'm hoping it's gonna work all okay because of the layers and stuff like that, like the thickness from the tray, shower tray, and the tiles and everything. I calculated everything for me to fit it that way, but who knows? So we'll see. Maybe I need to adjust this too a little higher. If that's so, then we gotta do it that way. All right, let's do this one. Alright, so it's all set. So that's how it looks. It's kind of tight to tighten there a little bit. It takes a while, but it's all good. So again, this is what the one I was trying to set it up instead of using this guy's weight. Then you can just mold this through, but I prefer this. Molded through from the subfloor, so it's more secure like that than using this. Right. So let's just test now. That's it. Alright, so I'm doing the final inspections. Just want to see how it looks. The flow of the shower and the drain.